If you are a broke student, this video will change how you think. I asked AI for 5 realistic ways to make $1,000 in 30 days. 4 of them sound good, but are a waste of time, and only one way is how students are silently making thousands. And that's method number 3. Stay with me until method 3, because it needs 0 capital, 0 experience, and you can start tonight. The problem is not that you don't work hard. The problem is you work hard on the wrong methods. AI today doesn't take your job, it gives you leverage. And today I'm giving you 5 leverages. Method 1. AI-powered tutoring. Every student suffers from one subject. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to explain simply. Take the hardest lesson, ask ChatGPT to simplify it like you're explaining to a 10-year-old, then sell that simplified explanation on sites like Studypool or Preply. Students pay $20 an hour for someone who simplifies what their professor complicates. And AI does 90% of the work for you. Method 2. Thumbnail design. Every content creator needs a thumbnail that gets clicks. Before, you needed years to learn design. Today, you type an idea in Leonardo.ai and edit it in Canva in 5 minutes. People sell one thumbnail for $15 on Fiverr. 10 thumbnails in one day means $150. The demand never ends. We arrived at method 3, and it's the most dangerous one. It's the AI Resume Improvement Service. Think with me. Every student in your final year is terrified because he won't find a job. His resume is weak. Go to student groups on Facebook and write, "I will turn your resume into a professional one that passes hiring software using AI." The service price is just $25. If you get only 8 clients in 3 days, you made $200. And the tools you use are ChatGPT and Rezi.ai, and the work takes no more than 10 minutes per resume. You are not selling writing, you are selling a job opportunity. Method 4. Faceless videos. Script from ChatGPT, voice from ElevenLabs, editing from CapCut. You post short motivational videos on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Algorithms love consistency, and after 10,000 followers, brands start contacting you. This is real passive income, but it needs 30 days of patience. Method 5. Selling Notion templates. Ask AI. Design me the perfect Notion template to organize a student's time. Then sell it on Gumroad for $9. You may think $9 is small, but 12 sales while you sleep means more than $100 from one template you designed once. Notice, the 5 methods don't need you to be a genius, but to be smart in using tools. I didn't tell you you'll be a millionaire tomorrow. I told you there are students who started with these simple methods and now cover their own university expenses. The question is not, do these methods work? The question is, which method will you start with tonight? Write the number of the method you liked in the comments and the method that gets the most comments. I will make a detailed step-by-step tutorial about it next week. And if you are the type of person who turns information into action, you know what to do. See you in the next video.